To subscribe is free. You
What
subscribe
this is what we
yet?
do. For the socks on the string.
Jamar Williams. Jamar
This is what we do. For the socks on the block. We're sending out the ship. Let's make it move non-stop.
I know your heart's afraid to be with someone like me. You've seen the flow, the flex of what they think it could be. I know you're thinking that I'm just a bad boy. Breaking hearts is the only thing I'm good for. All I'm saying, I can be that one to take away your pain in some crazy way. Be my bullet, I can be your gun, and we can shoot just for fun. I can be a bad boy, I can be a good boy, I can be a rude boy, I can be a soldier. Right away, bad boy, good boy, rude boy.
This is what we do. For the socks on the string. This is what we do. For the socks on the string. This is what we do. For the socks on the block. We're sending out the ship. Let's make it move non-stop.
I know you love that bad boy feeling. Dirty talk, but only when the mood is right. Making up is the greatest. Yes. You get excited when I tell you all the things that you love, but still you're trying to hide that feeling. Baby, I got the sex for healing. Just in the light, the mood is right. We gon' do it all night. I can be a bad boy, I can be a good boy, I can be a rude boy, I can be a soldier, baby. Bad boy, good boy, rude boy. Tell them all.
This is what we do. For the socks on the string. This is what we do. For the socks on the string. This is what we do. For the socks on the block. We're sending out the ship. Let's make it move
Right
non-stop.
away, I can be the right one if you run things harder. If you give me love, girl, I the queen of me harder. I can be the one, I can be the hot stepper. You and me together, every day we get later. And I can show you love and I can show respect. Champion love already, I control your bed. Girl, you better trust me, girl,
Yo.
you better know. I
Hold
can
on.
go anywhere you go.
That's something me look for.
You mean to tell me say from the I just know you look for something? Eh? Me not understand why is it so.
So why you raise your
We need
voice?
to raise my voice.
Why you doing that?
Right now, me I tell you say right now. How long you made that together?
3 years.
3 years, not true?
Yeah.
And how accomplish certain things that me I deal with, how easy or hard it take me to accomplish them.
Me not even know.
We mean not even know.
Why you come in and ask all of them questions?
Because nothing now work out, nothing now friggin' work out, nothing now add up.
So why you take out the problem for me?
Let me say me I take my problem for you. What do you mean by that?
You come in, you not even say evening babes, give me a hug.
Which evening
not
babes?
even one hug, not one
When me I left here, you ain't wake up? You ain't wake up?
No, me never wake, but now you come back and see me, you must can give me a hug.
Give you a shout. What time you call me today? You call me today and check for me?
Me know say you are type of man when I like when woman call you daytime and bother you. That's why me stop do all of them something.
You know me I
there.
do? You have to walk on the road then.
Why you go up on the road?
When me don't do that.
Me just
That me can't bother with you, you know. That me can't take with you. You see you just you don't understand what me have to do. You ever hungry yet?
no, me never hungry.
So why you-
So why you raise your voice in nearby here and I like say me you have nothing. What me do?
Let me tell you something. You have one thing called luck. I have one thing called bad luck. You hear about it?
Me know about that. So
Read between the lines.
stop that.
Hey,
now.
don't do that, man.
Where you go just?
Where you say you fix? Where you fix? You fix something?
Yeah, me go cool.
Fix where you fix.
So
Me soon forward.
you just come in and you're gone again. Hello? Sister? You can come link me? No, I just want to talk to you about something. Come check me, please. Alright, hurry up and come. Yeah.
You know, you knock it door.
I know say you. And why you coming in the house with craving here?
No bother with me and my craving here. Why you ever have problem with my...
Mama OT, me can't take a center craving here. You need for OT, like right now. And my boyfriend me have a problem with you smoking in a
Oh, say a man cologne.
Me a no man clone, but
Anyways, now out me craving here, because me can't bother with you.
oh, to the little girl there.
You happy now?
Lord, sit down.
You call me over here. Your bed look clean though. Last time you come over here dirty. Anyways.
Don't
call me-
break yourself with me.
Where call me over here for? No. That look by your face, but are you want Ben? Are you want Ben again?
Girl, I just don't know why you always come in and start short and go on with the antics. Like, I'm just tired of it.
Me and you know Ben. Ben is not a, well, you're not going to say he's a bad person because he's not a bad person, but Ben have him time when he just crash out. It's like, he might go and he might come. He might come and he might go. Me and you know the situation.
Me know. And I don't know, like, it come like a family curse. Because in our family, none of we can keep a stable relationship. As so we know our relationship, as so we mash up. And me just tired of it. Me just don't want to start over. And me just...
You know, say when Ben have no money, he brain cell kinda
Chick off.
right. I have other, well, I don't know if you have other problems.
No, that's
But-
our problem.
That's the only problem.
Yeah, and just...
Then why you not leave? Go! Why you not just leave or give relationship a break then?
Why you don't want me leave him? Me not leave him. Me a give my next
So-
chance.
You love the chance. You love the chance. So you gotta wait until me and, well, just say your family, until the family just come, hush, me not mean to do that. Until the family just come scoop you up in our body bag.
The blood of Jesus against you. And I break yourself. You all tired. He not gonna do me nothing. He just always short on the top of advice and just go on with himself, but he not listen.
short. You not go out. Him to grab you.
He not gonna do that. He's
Oh, he
not
not
that
do that.
type of person.
Oh, he's not that. He's not that type of person. But like how you're confident.
You know, say, me not like tell my business. But I true, me not know nobody else. Me always a call you and tell my business.
Well,
Tell
no,
you my
call me
sister.
then. I am just giving you some advice. You know, I take your advice. What you want me to do? What you really and truly want me to do?
What kind of advice that you give me? If you left me, man, when me there for 3 years, three.
Yeah, you're there with him for 3 years. So I go through this for 3 years, right? 3 whole years, that's true. I don't feel like say if you get up and run. You don't feel for run. You just feel for stay. Wow! You're full of sense.
What if me going on a different relationship and it worse than this one?
Well, that's exactly what I try to say. Give relationship a break. You don't need time to build yourself.
All if me give relationship a break, yeah, me go dead somebody down in my line.
Exactly.
Then
That's
I
the
go get
point.
worse,
Me a chat fat. Give yourself some time to heal.
You know what me I do? What me I do not right, you know? Because all me feel tell a single person my business.
Yeah,
When you no single, you never tell a person in a relationship the right thing to do. You always encourage them to be single like yourself. That's what people do.
So we really actually can you
No, you not
tell me your
encourage me
business
say fix a relationship, talk to him or whatever. You want me to left the man and be single like you. Eh?
back. You know, we can't take you serious.
No.
We really and truly can't take you serious, you know.
Everything I take.
I'm your younger sister, you know.
And
Just imagine, I am the youngest sister. Me might be a cokehead sometime. Cause me not go tap on my crib ni. Me not tap on my crib ni, if you please. Nobody.
you know what
And me
I'm
not tap drink either. But
You're right, you're a younger one. Me should have tell her my business.
yeah, you should have called mommy instead. Cause me I try to tell her something.
No, she worse. She not supposed to know my business, none at all. And I because me love you and I trust you as my sister and feel like say you can encourage me in a good way. But no! You want to tell me if you leave my relationship and do a go pause myself I want part. As what?
Me never say if you pause yourself for one whole year, you know. Me just simply say if you give yourself some time, feel cool off and breathe. But no, you don't want to do that.
Why
you
would I
just
want to
want
do that?
up under your man body.
Me just want to find a way how to fix the relationship. That's
Well, find
what
a way
I
to fix
want.
the relationship yourself, then not get me involved. Come here, try to tell you something. And you tell me foolishness on my ears.
You know what? Conga,
Where your man there, matter of fact?
Why you want to know that?
Where is your
Why
man?
you want to know that? Tell me, why you really and truly want to know that? Because you not make no sense to me right now. You understand?
Your relationship will sink day by day. Where your man there?
Me don't know, and that's none of your business. You need to come get your yard like
And
right
that
now.
me about for you. Hi Ben. Okay, this is a sign so me for go on my yard.
Me
Cause
call.
me not too back and forth with your man. Cause your man look like he not like me and me was not like him. So you know what me I go do? Me I come find my yard. Sorry me. Sorry there.
Sorry.
Sorry now.
Amanda,
What?
me call you. So
No, no call my phone. My phone busy. Me gone.
I'm gonna tell you about smoking in the house.
She just did walking with the craving and me tell her for out and she out the same time.
You mean to tell me, say, your sister up until this moment for 3 years now, you know she never smoking in the house. You ain't tell her that point blank?
Me always tell her, but she always coming out.
Raise a voice at me?
No, sorry.
Me not understand. Your
No.
voice sound like say you try to tell me something in a different command. Eh? How you go? Me tell you this, man. Me have a rough day today, and today is not smooth based on circumstances. You understand me? I say, and if me come off one way where you feel like say me I take on problem upon you, I'm sorry about that, but you have to understand. Say it's either you understand me or you take time go on. And when I say take time go on, just take time find a way out, you know, in a different light because things now work out the way.
Me not understand you.
Because if I only by myself, I not have to think about food today. I not have to think about food tomorrow.
So what you try to say? Me and your burden, and that you try to
If
say?
you want to call yourself my burden, you know, you can do it yourself. But me,
Obviously, that you do because you're going to say if you live by yourself, you don't have to think about food today. Like, food in our kitchen.
All
so
right.
who do you tell us if we buy food or whatever?
you remember when we actually to get some money? I'm gonna tell you say, I have to hurry up and you say, no babe, stick around a little bit and make love a little bit and I lose all the money, remember? You remember or you don't remember? It's a
Me
simple
remember.
question. Alright. You remember when we're supposed to go on a vacation? See? So-called vacation and the car broke down. And the reason why the car broke down is because not say you but the car broke down and we can't get to drive out. Remember?
Alright. Get to your point because
I said maybe it's best for, you know, why not spend some time with your sister a little bit? And just build up the little bit and then we could get some time, you know, individually to build ourselves back to 100%. Because right now, I not say me 100% and I don't know where you're there in this relationship. Because it's like you think say everything is about It's about hug up and come in your house and this and that. Me want money.
Some money make you happy, so. Just because our money you are going so, or because you have somebody else out there.
You want me to have somebody else?
I don't know.
You want me to have somebody else?
Because you
Why
come
it-
in there and I say all of this. Is either you can bear the pressure without having money or you have somebody else you want carrying. Are two options did I say, you know? For you, I go tell me if you go on up on my people them. Like, why would I want to do that? Because you fear some problem.
You hear me say?
You want to push everything down in Nigeria.
I hear me say today. See? Just not pack a big bag, pack a small bag and spend some time up with your sister.
Me not go.
You know we are talking, but you not go.
I'm not
Me not go
going.
push you out, you know. I mean, I make neighbor them feel like say, boy, me over here murder you. Because me is not that kind of person. All me I say to you is just go spend some time with your sister. Obviously.
Me don't go up there for when go sleep
Yeah.
or something. Me go feel uncomfortable. That's why I say I'm not going. If anybody feel leave, you can leave and go where you want to go
How for
sleep.
place sister for you?
I don't care.
Alright, as me I say, I touch back the street. I'm if I collect back my tool, because I just go rent out my tool a while ago. I forward back. I'm supposed to come back and see the place kind of empty.
Me
See?
not go no way.
Me
When
not
I come
asking,
back,
I tell
I
you.
hear something go there.
Alright, watch out, man.
Amanda, you there by yard? No, I don't know. It's just that. No. I'm good, man. I'm good. Me go call her back here. Alright. Oh God. Way.
Like, look, we say, okay, keep the money them in there. Uy. Oh, I gone. There, I wish breeze blow here.
I'm just gonna look for now and go spend 2 days with her.
Huh?
I'm just gonna look for now and spend 2 days with you know. I just get tired of up our yard, so I just feel like more gonna spend 1-2 days down here.
But girl, they ain't call me.
Oh no, I never call her. I just did want to do it as a surprise.
Oh, I see. Cause how things?
Everything alright.
Everything I just want to cool out. So all the man I treat you.
My treat me good and everything.
Okay. Well, make yourself comfortable, you know. They are on the phone, yeah.
So where Amanda there?
She gone out the road to come back.
Alright. Me dey call her now, but me never tell her.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, she gone out the road to come back. So she go I said she a go somewhere. Not even remember how she tell me say she a go. Yeah, so you don't see her from when?
Yeah, me see her today. Me and her did a talk.
Oh, are you should go and check?
Yeah.
No man, no. How you look so? Some day you create like you want ball or something. How are you?
No, me alright.
Huh?
I'm good.
If you say so.
Me just me want to go and go wash my face and lie down.
So go on in I go like a place a bite you. We're afraid of.
Well, this is what we do. For those songs on the street.
Kemar Williams.
This is what we do. For those songs on the block. We're sending out the ship.
Says like a land.
Non-stop.
I know your heart's afraid of being someone like me. You've seen the flow, the flex of what you think it could be. I know you're thinking that I'm just a bad job.
Boss boy.
Go and develop it me.
Yeah, man. How things?
There, man. No say in a real life though.
Mm.
Tell us I'm deal with that already.
You did it?
Yeah, man. So just
Secure, man. Well, I can't check the place everything.
put that in one place. You see
Yeah,
me?
man. I mean,
Me
man.
link you.
Anytime
Watch
you're ready,
out
you know.
Watch out now.
Mm.
Me have a mission for me to go up on night time. I don't know if you're up to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Big money upon it.
Big money upon it, man. Big
Yeah.
food. Big food. What you say?
What I wish they do. Cause right now.
Alright, watch out now, man. Me call you. You have a bird active now.
Yeah, man. Always active, brother.
Because what do you mean I call you? I'm not get you.
No, you want to know. I went here, I'm there. Cause you know, signal for sometimes, some places, a bounce off. You know what I mean? So when rough that time, but everything level, man. Can I get a double SIM? You know what I mean? So just in case.
Alright, then murderer.
Yeah, so
Just...
yeah, man. So do it, you know. Respect and thanks for business, you know.
Alright, my father.
Yeah, man.
Me do it.
Alright, my brother.
Come on.
Yeah. Right. That's
Just in the light, the mood is right. We gon' do it all night. I can be a bad boy, I can be a good boy, I can be a rude boy, I can be a soldier, baby. Bad boy, good boy, rude boy. Tell them all.
This is what we do. For those songs on the street. This is what we do. For those songs on the street. This is what we do. For
Yes.
those songs on
I don't have a feeling in Look how we just there so another romance. Eh?
You're not normal, you know. You're not normal at
So we
all.
can live be forever. And we can't live.
That them fi know. Jaja God, you're not normal still, you know.
So I'm differently. Where you go?
No, say in a real life though. One work me a come off a door and just bring back one of my dog. Just go bring one tool go give one of my dog them same way. You know, cause
Hold on there.
yeah.
Hold on there. You just come off and work.
Yeah, man.
What kind of work? Me always want to know what kind of work you do, you know. Me no
say in a
understand
real
you.
life though. No say in a real life though, mama. You don't have to know what go on, no. Just know say everything alright, though. In a real life. Everything alright, man. That's right. In a real life, me and him fi go back pa. I want to look at construction work still, you know, cause we don't want to make it thing look too suspicious same way. Now, my dog, I want to chainsaw or power saw me can go give. I don't even know which one of them, but I one of them. In a real life.
So who? Wait, me know him.
You know, so to tell you the truth though, I think you one of your cousin them man though. In a real life.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
That the man there.
Yeah. You know how me a chat though? You pick up how me a chat.
You pick up a who you talk, watch you know. Just a tool, you know. The woman forward over me that tell me that she want black star for 2 days, which is also my cousin. So for you say one of my cousins them me pick up a who you talk.
So
she a man, I'm not happen. Yeah, she just said she just want give place a break, but normally when man and woman na problem, I saw them go on, you know. Cause we not see them for how long.
No,
And as them and them man a problem, you see them. I don't understand.
I'm a boy still, you know.
Eh?
I'm a boy, man.
Eh?
Mm-hmm.
Well, you have listen, you have just careful.
Okay, I want to make your sister now.
No, me must have me. I must have me know what type of work you do.
What kind of type of work me do? Did I tell you say a building me do? Construction and then something there.
No, baby, you just see a little off one sitting there one tool. Tool.
Yeah,
Oh,
me I
okay.
tell you say
How can I tool it off?
one chainsaw, a power saw. Me no remember which one of them, you know, but one of them.
Oh, tool.
Yes,
Oh.
working tool. How me work with.
Okay,
Me and them
okay.
work with, you see me?
I just understand now.
Yes. Yeah.
So why you going so?
No, what me a go on? Me just a tell you I'm a bridge.
But yeah, yes,
Cause me
yes.
cause me have to make sure you know say how a good deeds we a deal with. You see me? Good deeds we a deal with and something, man.
Alright.
Building and stuff where right now me have one contract me and him to go up and same way.
Oh, like when I build house.
Yeah.
Then house contract sitting there.
Yeah.
Okay.
The normal priest
What
still.
big piece of food that you get? Big money.
Yeah, man, big money, man.
Eh.
Mm-hmm.
So. You can get 200,000 out there.
When I come off for work, man, you tell me I go on the work, man. Time I come off and everything go smooth and nice, you know you're alright. Cap me, I'm chicken back now, you know. Oh,
See? Where's how you start eat? Chicken back?
You mean, man?
So who they live on chicken back?
No,
Me or you?
We never say we live on it. We say we soon stop.
Alright, listen.
Yeah.
See, right now, I
want
to get fat in a car. 2 we not maga together because we rub together and gash a fire.
No make me feel so, no make me feel so.
No, me I tell you the truth. The 2 we not maga because we rub up.
Me say, no worry yourself, man.
Rub
Wait
up.
till me come off a mission now. If you go smooth how we expect, if you go probably, you know what things said. If the money reach, you see him way.
Alright, me I can go in because me. How are you go? Where? Me think you say Father God. Where you up here?
We just come up here to spend a few days.
Since when? You know how long you this house and not see for your face?
Amanda,
Hey, man, put you out.
no, why would I want to do that?
What else you expect me to say? You could try your left this side and come back. So what is the issue?
Because I feel frustrated and feel like more come here so I can spend one few days and then go back home.
You're so lish. If there's such a word. Why me have a feeling say your man put you out? Anyways, you see Pinky?
Well, Mr. Pinky when me just come, but we don't know where she's right now.
You think you're smart, you know? We need to talk about, I'm a matter of fact, I tell Pinky.
No, I'm not tell Pinky.
We are sister, and I know you. We have the same blood. Pinky now, yeah, Pinky a part of the family, but a half 5 blood she have. We have the same blood type. I'm a matter of fact, go sit down. Because me and you need to talk about this, because I know you're in America. And I feel like go sit down. Because me really and truly want to know. What going? Where you do up here? All their neighbors them picking it. How they can be if they're picking it so? Why me get tired of them now? Anyways, where you do up here?
Why me go tell you and then alright, me go tell you, but if me tell you now, me still have to go tell Pinky again. So that make no sense.
No. Me not depend that. Where? What the backside? You realize me I come from off a road. How the hell am I gonna know about Pinky day? Come
then
talk.
bring her bird and find out what she did because me can't.
Alright then, no problem.
Fit out this 2 times.
Hello? Yeah, we need you up at house right now. What? No man, top way you can come right now. This is more important. Alright. I would just call me. I even have time for right now. She on her way.
I go to one bike. I go to one bike, idiot, that's all. See, I read this. Or I go on.
See Pinky come now, you can start talk. So talk now, why you take so long for talk, so if you call Pinky, I call her.
Alright. The real reason why I'm come up here is because me and Ben
A happy Ben.
me and Ben in a me and Ben not on good terms.
Hi, me know. You see me there now? Eh? All the time I see them a people here.
Right.
When they have man problem. Eh?
Can she not know this a place I
He
know?
man born, what go on now?
No, it's like every time when time Ben don't have no money, he come home, he take out his stress for me.
So
He
Allah she
raise
not
him-
shout play after me left your yard.
Alright, I can't shut up.
Alright, let me
You know, say she be chat.
Like you know his situation more than me.
Alright, talk.
Yeah. And then today when time Amanda come in our house, she did a smoke, but Amanda knows that she not fi smoke in her house. When Ben come in start talk about that. So I tell him say, Amanda ne remember. And
You tell me something I remember. When I tell me if you out it craving, I never out it.
he smoke still go left in her house cause
But me out
smoke.
it same time though.
Anyway, me get 3 pints.
Continue.
He did it. And then he go say to me say, me must pack one bag and go on up on my people.
Me know say a man put you out, you know. Me know say a man put you out.
Amanda, are you a talky story around me? What wrong with it? You're just Gigi.
Oh God. Oh my.
Alright, me go talk.
Like, you see, this is why me don't come around on you know. Because you don't take nothing serious. Like me, I go
You see,
through
if
one
you
little
did take me
fears.
advice.
Shut up! Me
Oh, you
I go through one
have
little
one now. Me
fear.
I go to shut up.
Me I go through one little fears and the one day you saw joke out it.
What
You
joke
have
out
chat like an idiot and you they take time and a
My
smile.
mission take me off and my mission just take me off. I'm come for here while I go on. So where say the man put you out? Shall I put you out? That alone.
Yeah, he put me out.
You are go on.
What go on?
Today my man attack. Fear man name mentioned in our conversation. Just let me know. Make wipe out the boy. And wipe him out. Eh?
You mad?
Wipe him out. and
Pinky,
done.
you mad? When you talk about wiping out, you crazy? Something wrong with
You know,
Amanda, something wrong with Pinky?
What's wrong with you?
You're going to know me already. Say, listen to me. We're going to take this from boy. So, if you want to wipe him out, you
No,
make me know.
me don't want that.
Say, no, Sunday. Next thing man go do, I just give you one right and me.
Ask him if I know the
He
same
not
thing
gonna do
Michelle.
that. He not gonna do that.
Funny, put you out.
When
He
you know
just
do.
say if you work for one another self, me just pop
Any
and look
man
over.
tell us say, if you work for another one self, how you want to it means a relationship done. Oh, some yo, wipe out the boy.
Pinky, stop that. You have this mentality of doing crazy stuff. You need to stop it from your
And that's why if you adapt some of my mentality, because you don't have no sense.
Exactly, cause
No sense you don't have up here, so
Like,
me your little sister.
when me and the two on
Do
our
you
family.
brother? Maybe I look up to you.
Like when me and the two on our family, because the two on our
America,
bad
crosses.
to me, bad to God.
No!
But maybe listen to me.
Bad
why
to
we
Ben.
don't talk.
No,
Yo,
I will punish him in a one way then. But no,
Punishment too good for him, brother.
punish him.
Oh, by cutting out his fingernail.
What?
In two nail, pluck out in two eye.
What is wrong with you?
Cut off in two ears.
What if you do? What kind of put? No, tell. Alright.
Alright.
Bigger boss. Tell you how to punish him.
We'll beat him up.
Beat him up and I mean idiot you. Eh? Make
That's not just make
worse.
worse.
To beat him up.
But I
Oh,
cheer away.
Eh? You
Come
cheer
with
away.
time
Look
now.
how me maga. Eh?
Right now, I think it's one yourself.
No, but we can't tie him up like when he
Let me
like.
tell you something. Don't talk to me like a thing man or idiot. Cause you know me stay already. You see my badness come down. We not beat people. You hear me? I tell you,
Well,
we not
Pinky,
beat people.
that is not an option. What you saying?
So that is not an option.
No,
Hmm?
no, we can do something
Tell me
else.
one that
We
you
can do
really have sense.
1 million other things,
Where
but
you
not
live?
that.
Right, that's all.
Right, that's all.
I come in.
Alright, that's you live with me. Huh?
You come like your brain, I go no. I want your brain.
And what happened?
No, because me have to really want to live with me for China. Cause guess what? Make white people want to business she want to say. She a idiot.
I really
Listen to me. If
man must come
not
this
like that happen, me I go report it to a police station. You know?
And then you have to go down with the
Pack your things and come out. Pack your things and come out.
Go back a Ben yard.
Because me not understand why you want to do something like that.
I mean, I like
Like
police.
you crazy.
Are you crazy?
Watch out, mama.
Me don't chat, you
Watch
know.
out,
Me
mama.
don't chat.
Go back. Go.
Me I go back on the road, cause you don't have no sense. I'm not beating sense.
Pinky.
Mind your white boy. Come on, Amanda.
Pinky, don't do no stupidness. Amanda. Sister Elizabeth, you don't want to tell them what they have a mad mentality. Mad. Ami, Jesus. Oh, Jesus.
What make you do here?
Oh,
Huh?
hold on.
Where are you? We never agree upon certain things.
Yeah, we agree upon certain things.
Then suppose to get. Yo, you see now learning. Sing us. You don't know what almost gonna happen now again. I'm tell you what going on now. See? You see, the way how you almost make something happen a while ago, that show me say you don't understand what really are going on. The reason I'm kinda send you away, I'm gonna be honest with you. You know some people some money. And I have to pay them up by a certain time. But the business on me, actually when it's set for deal with the money there, business crash. You understand? So me there now, I don't really want you forward round because I don't want, no say a man can't come page me. You ever see me sleep with my gun for me?
No, me never see.
You ever know some have gun as a matter of fact?
No, today first me know like when me in the kitchen.
That man say. So really and truly, that a go on. So me know you must have wonder. How which pay go today? Up your cousin? Up your sister them?
Up my sister them me go.
And what them say? And what you tell them say?
I tell them say me.
You tell them?
Yeah, me tell.
Where you go?
Then what do they expect me to do? Me don't know what happened. Me tell them say you put me out. Like you not put me out. Me tell them say you send me up there for a few days and then say I put me out and then even did one come for you.
Come for me? For your family come for me?
Then I mean you know harm, but then just not understand why all that time if you go on.
So then you come for me because you know how you doing? Eh? When you go to make me some tea and crackers?
Why you never explain this to me? You come in and yeah. When you go through your problem, and also you deal with situation, you have to know if you talk to people. That is not how you deal with situation.
Alright, you might say. Now I'm telling you the situation where you plan to do. You plan to stay or you plan to go back?
Me I stay.
You know what risk you put yourself in right now?
Me know. But me there I feel. And if anything You can't show me how to use the weapon.
Huh? Nobody go so far, man. Go and go beat off yourself and go to sleep. Because I'm kind of tired. Because I'm done till my day was rough already.
So you eat?
I need to call back your people and let them know, say, I just false alarm. You understand me, I say?
Alright, I'm going to call them and let them know.
Do that.
So I can get that out now?
Yeah, man. But you know, say a gangster now.
Oh, what kind of out that?
Gangster now. Go and watch out, son.
I don't understand, Bulby. 6 times I call them, I can't get you.
Girl! Watch out. You look, what do you?
Where you say now, Amanda? Where you say?
And I'm just saying a girl. Anyways, you know here see a man, Bulby gone to prison.
Girl, move fire so. Move! Listen to me now. Who for man? What me man?
Bulby!
What me man? Hey, girl, I slap the smile off your face. But you tell some nobody there? Eh? But you tell some no man there? Eh? Man there with you? You know no man?
Me no want no man.
Man there with you? No, man no want there with you. Look for you. Man no want you. Where I get that news from? In all skettle. All love people busy. So how you get that news from?
Family.
Whether we are family, we are cousins, yes, I don't care. You love people business too much. Me, tell us me and the man there. Eh? The man tell us me and him there. Eh? Where get that from?
Fix the color.
Fix which color? Hey, listen
I
to me.
want stress you.
This is the last time I go to you know. Stay out of my business. Because you know who I'm there.
Business in me.
When last one man crawl up in your sheet?
Me no want a man.
Me say when last one man crawl up in your bed?
That's the thing, me no want a man.
You can't have no man.
Crawl up in my sheet.
You don't want no man, you can't have no man. No man no want you. And that's why.
That's who me out together.
Go fix your business. Then if you are out together, me a what? Eh? Me a what? Me a mortal.
Argument. You know. Can me just simply can't tell us something and here you are going.
Remove yourself.
And that me about to do can me
erase yourself out of my side.
Me ever see me can't catch
nonsense.
A man. You are right. You can't.
Rubbish.
You afraid. You don't know what you're afraid about.
Hey girl, come. You say me never family. I tell her if nah. Me here, girl. Rubbish.
No.
We need to talk.
No.
It's important. Babe.
Warm to you, man. It's not no.
Why not now? We have to talk now.
What time?
We don't know. We just wake up.
Alright, talk to me. Listen.
We not. Babe, we want to know what really is going on.
Yeah, I'm hungry. Yeah, I cook and
Babe, it's still in your sleep. You hear me? Like me want to know what going on. Why you owe people money? Wow, why problem? Why me come in here going to see you sleep with your weapon? Me want to know what going on. It's like you don't know how behave.
Alright, Jesus Christ, man. You couldn't spend one more night up here, sister? Eh?
This is your problem. You know how to get ignorant.
Alright.
But you not get what me I say.
Alright,
I
talk to
want to
me.
know what really is going on with you.
Wait, so what you want to know all them
I
something
want to
for?
know why your whole people want make me know what really happened. You know understand how much me me I look out for how much me care for you and then something there.
Listen to me. You see what I'm going right now, which is the problem? You can't fix that. A serious business we are talking. We are talking about blood can skin and something.
Just make me know what I go and babe. I just that me want.
You just want to know?
Yes, please, make me know what I go.
But make you want to know so early in the morning. That's the next big thing.
I best time for that because I know so when I get up in a day, you go gamble your business. So now I best time.
Alright. One situation going, you know, so I try hustle and make things maintain certain way, right? So, them give me some stuff to drop off at one place and I drive a car. Then said, drive a car. The only thing we have to do is leave the car at a location and the person will pick it up. Just don't lock the car. We leave the car there, so I drive, I drive it go up there, I walk off. When I left now one thing and reach back at my place and I see my phone a ring. You know, you're not gonna run people like. I see my phone a ring and
Just say that way.
well on man.
Alright.
I see my phone a ring and then, answer a call. They must say they don't see car, they don't see goods. So I say, oh you mean say you see car and see goods? What you talk about? Everything organized and I take a picture and thing. When I go back down there now, I really don't see car for true. Only thing I see is spot. You understand me I say?
Yeah.
So I didn't know and they must say to me, say, boy, I have to go bring back them things because I joke me making a plan and rate it. So that I'm want to know why the day when see me come in and so upset, and that day they go on. And me I said to myself, say, oh, I can get out of that situation now. You can't help me out of that situation. So I know, yeah, it's good for you know, yes. And if you have heads up, so if some people, some strange people, they just don't answer certain things. Well, nobody really know me live still, that's the next thing. That's why I keep on telling say, stay in your house, don't go to the door. You either say house too hot, you want air, you want fresh air, this and that. Me I say, stay in your house. Because when you leave your house, no problem. And like say, at work, you go, or you go, do some schooling or something to better yourself. You know, on purpose, something don't like it for your house. That me I tell you back in the days. And you still don't feel like, say, it's something I tell you. What makes sense?
I understand what you say now, babe. Me never understand, you never explain nothing to me. So, I can just want to stay in the house and you not explain nothing
Me
to
can't
me.
go back and sleep now?
No. Who the person? Let me know who the person.
I don't know person, there's one person, but I them run the operation. If you know him in charge. Bongo metal, Bongo.
Bongo.
Bongo live up already. What you call it? Red ground.
Red ground. So in name Bongo, red ground.
Yeah,
I just him one.
No man, this is him now right now, me I tell you, so I my problem. For him, what I picture everything good, but him is hard, you not trust people, you not trust man.
Oh, you not trust man.
And you not trust people, so there's no way you can. You think how you think it's a bit?
No, it just...
You think I show you act?
No, it sound funny.
It sound funny? No, but to me, you're asking them questions like you plan to help me. Where you going?
No, I don't have no gun.
You come here, get you. It's so funny to be fast early morning. Yeah.
It's good to have a smile.
It's good, man. Alright. Me can't sleep now.
No, give me more details.
But what? There's no more details to give, that's it. But I'm going to live a red ground and thing.
And
I have in place. I'm in charge of everything.
So who you have to get through if you go to him?
Oh, I feel like Bongo. We're going to ask Bongo. We show you Bongo. But as I say, he not really up on the front like that. But we know when in stay. That's it.
Alright.
Maybe it's so funny.
What funny?
I never life. Yo. You who afraid of mosquito blood? Eh? So like say that go revenge the whole thing, you know?
No, babe, me just want to know everything we're going. Remember say me got your back. I'm one today.
Alright, hold me back. Hey, look at me. Sure.
So we can't hold you back.
No, man.
Alright, babe.
You're tired from last night? Yeah, what?
What for tired?
Yo, go. Alright, give me some break, my break.
Cold one.
Give me a break, man. Stop now, man.
You're not for that.
Me say stop, be about you wait so early in the morning for what? Stop now, no, man.
Stop.
Alright, you get the information, right? Stop, relax, man, and think.
Go and back, go see.
I remember say you just wake up, so go and go brush your teeth if that's something the case,
Yes,
cause
my mouth.
I'll be a gunshot at bus.
You're very old time, but anyway, I go brush my teeth.
So you couldn't walk, sir?
No. Yo, America, man, wow. Alright, me know say me not call a friend when, but hear me out. No man, listen. Alright, my boyfriend in a some problem, and I want to help him out, but I don't know how to help him out because he know I'm left yard. He know I'm gonna know you at all. So, me a call you to get some ideas how to left yard. You not hear me? Yeah. Alright, guess what? All the way me can left yard unless me have a work or remember say me not have no work and me not sign up for none of them something. Yes, for true, girl. For true, you know, so you have sense. That's why I call you, you know. You know, I'm going to come by you. I'll do that. Yeah, but I have to go up on my sister yard. Because I think my auntie they have a nursing clothes, you know. Alright, guess what? When I get through with everything, I call her back. Alright. Yeah, girl. Yeah, later. Yeah. Babe.
Yo, oh, no, what, no. Where we are going? Eh? Why you do this for me? Why you mean you antagonize me and early part of the man? I want no man.
Anyway, me have to go up a yard.
What do you mean go up a yard?
Me
I mean I like with you, here, you know, I just talked to you earlier and like, it's like something wrong with you. I want.
Babe, something wrong with Amanda, so me have to go up a yard.
So something phone, you can call and find out what's wrong with her. So then tell us.
Let me ask you one question. If something wrong with one of your sister them now, and your phone go communicate to her too, eh? You're not gonna go up her yard, go look for her and find out what really are going on in person.
Yeah. So alright, so what you plan for the now? Stay the whole day?
No.
You plan to pack your bag and go up there? What?
What wrong with you?
I'm just asking.
Just relax.
I'm very relaxed.
Me say me a go up a yard and come back. Me not spend the whole day.
Alright, do it.
So what you do for the day? You stay here or?
Yeah, been bad for this.
Alright, me soon come.
Make sure you lock the door with the key.
Yeah, me go.
You hear me I say to you?
Me hear what you say.
Go there.
Alright, later. Be safe.
Me be safe or you be safe?
No worry about me, me go. My youth, I know I can't get a little money way after me. What you mean by wait for what? Wait kill man and breed woman we talk about? Listen to me, Nabi. No bother with the foolishness. Cause you don't know say for me and feel thing come down different. So me know why you take me for idiot. If you not give me the money, tell me say you not give me the money. Tell me brawling and straight. Not tell me say you give me today and when today come, yeah say the next day to the next day, to the next day. Me not depend them the style of my youth. You can't just a promise and you not fulfill it, brother. Listen to me now. If you don't want me, you have to mash up. Carry the money, come give me.
What you mean by? What you mean by me a rush things? How me fear rush things? Money is very important. Woman want money to spend on herself. I cook on the dog shit. I'm a style, you know. Don't me deal with you a certain kind of way. Because you don't know if me a thing come down different. I'm not going to tell you again. Don't make me deal with you like some real jagger. Don't do that. You know how everything good there, man. I feel like I can style me too. Eh?
Cause girl, what happen?
Cause girl, what happened with her? What happened?
So you go and suffer.
How are you there?
Me can't come up here again. Awa, what problem?
Come up here, come do what?
So where you behave suffer?
May I ask you one question? Come up here, come do what?
So me can't come look for you again.
Look for me?
Yeah, you are my sister.
Wrong tree, baby, wrong tree.
I'm
Wrong
too
tree.
tree.
Let me tell you something, you know. You see, other day, me I talk to you. Me I show you a pre. And you gone up in your feelings. And you skin up your face. Like when me I tell you, say a wrong thing, me I tell you.
Me never in my feelings.
And it hurt you so much. For you go on so. Me not like your style not ready. So I could have never me come look for.
Listen, me just did I tell her say that can't work. Me not want you do that. Me can't make you do that to somebody who me love.
Okay, so if me can't do somebody who you love, it don't make no sense to come here so. Cause guess what? No babu not supposed to run in your family.
So you can please me.
Me no
You
man
can't give me what me forget.
Me can't give you what you forget, girl. But you have all kind of things you can do with your service. Go down and try it. Go down and yang one more ask him.
Me no want that.
Hey. One of the sitting there for service herself with it.
Listen, that cancerous and for that you use that your business, not my business.
Girl, me better use him one day with some little dirty man like we there with. Wow.
So you feel so your man a good man when you there with?
Oi, my man a no saint. But he not deal with me like how your man deal with you.
So how my man a deal with me? Tell
girl,
me.
You go,
since you know everything,
you
since
go,
you're boss,
you go itch up under the man. You go itch up under the Fronzilax man. For the Fronzilax man, all I put you out. You know, see that the man that me a deal with a put me out. But he might carry money come give me. He might carry money come give me and he not put me out.
You still them bulb behind man you talk about?
Yes, me stadium bulb behind man. Me love me stadium bulb behind man.
You come here, come
me love me big eye bulb man. But fear Rasta man, girl in don't look good at all. Me don't know how to fool you. I want to find him.
I want to dress. He know if doing thing. I want to pay for your man.
He might dress and he know if he doing thing.
Yes,
that's a one.
Why me man
but
the problem?
Treat you good. He might treat you
good. Of
good.
He might treat me good.
Girl,
you think me short and all me there me
dressing now have nothing to do with personality. So if
your
my man personality nice, my man not saying but for your man personality don't nice. For your man personality come like a cheese chicken bag juice, and that's a good fact. And that thing take your fact.
So you come fit done me.
So cut bag juice. Me not come fit done you. Oh, are you coming now? Oh, me come fit
Mama, me not come about that.
What you say?
Mama, me not come about that.
Spill a beans,
you
girl. That your man have for all own.
Girl, relax yourself, because I don't know what happened to you, mackerel. Anyway.
Me don't know what happened to you, budung chuck. Talk.
Take a drum, take foot, girl.
You're lucky, gorilla. You're lucky, bullfrog. Where you come here for?
Alright, Tony.
Where you come here for improper fraction? Rubbish. Improper fraction, girl. Your top part big and your bottom part small. Your top part big and your bottom part small, girl. A pencil pan and run the world, girl. You're not fool nobody now. Say, as you run on a job, as you run on a loop. You can't even hold through one part if man come to kill you. You no stuck through the little hole. I'm just not even you can run faster come than girl, start girl. A small waist and cock up but you did
can't be a mouth here.
Where you come here
for?
Where you come here for?
Listen, if you go listen, you go continue chat. Can you come like you're a
bad girl. Me not like chat. Talk.
How what you do?
Talk.
You chat more than anybody else. Like you're a parrot.
How much?
Alright, come. You remember when auntie used to, not used to, you remember auntie nursing clothes them when you have?
Yeah, what?
I think she left one suit down here. I want it for borrow. Girl, relax, man.
Where you want nursing suit for borrow for?
Girl, what I call it, careers they are going down a center. And I want to go somewhere just like a nurse and go down there, yeah, because, you know, me always dream of being a nurse. Yeah, so the day they go make me feel like, yeah, Me a nurse. Yeah, girl. Someone borrow a suit.
Boy,
Yeah, let me suit.
you sound like a freak. Mighty God, you sound
Pinky,
like a freak.
Oh, free coming at that.
Oh, so let me ask you a question. You could choose something better than that. What make you figure and choose nurse?
So what wrong with nurse?
What make you figure and hey, let me tell you something now. Mine are the man tell us if you can't get nurse suit for you can perform film in the house. It sound like I want to look
Pinky,
freak, man.
then why my man would want me in a pants and shirt for perform? Perform why in a pants and shirt?
Because just like how him nasty and nasty to that side.
If blood of Jesus again, so who nasty like you stadium bolt man?
You're lucky that
Mama, if you let me, so you
anti-nursing suit, you know.
Mama, if you let me, you chat too much, man. You let me?
Well, me I go feed.
So you still sit down, you lazy bad. No man control something like you.
I want so me fling it up and him in control me and come and talk. You see this now, mama?
Yeah.
See this now, cuz, yeah.
Give me some. See that one. So we are there. And I full set out this, mama.
Let me buy full set out. Let me buy.
Shoes.
Where the bongo runga galagina so no sir. I'll shoes a comfort too.
Oh, you mean?
So get a man can buy your nursing shoes.
Mama, don't worry about that. Don't worry about me. My man can't buy me more than nursing shoes. All you in can't buy me. Don't worry yourself about that. Mama, if I go for shoes, I go for shoes. I'm more want something like you anyway. So go for shoes and come back.
You must think of me a beg.
I'm not begging you, I borrow. I'm glad you know.
I'm just saying they can't fit me, girl. Oh.
So wait there now. Alright, you know, yeah, left yes. So you could give me na me hand. So you could give me na one other bag. So you want more up on road with them show all
girl,
the
beggars man no choice. Go out with them, make them see you come borrow me things. I when they can't.
I know for you.
Go on.
So,
where you wait for?
No, so you dirty nigga.
Me know you come like a freak. The man just a use it, go and use it for.
Don't worry about that.
The man just a chop up for you, so you have to clap. No, sir. I'm a call.
Don't worry about that.
Go and to your man, because you're afraid of him like a puss.
I'm if you afraid of him, man, are you?
As he say, oh, you jump.
I'm say, hoo. Babe. Babe.
What time now?
After 10.
Eh?
After 10.
After 10. What is that?
Well, I remember I wake up this morning and ask you a question. Because I know what really did I go because I signed up for a nursing school. Yeah. I get approved and I go do one test for the year. And I get through. So I can start going nursing school now.
You have ambition all along and we never know you're hiding.
What come? So my shoes, yeah, something too. My shoes.
No, man.
Yeah.
You surprised me, I know. So, are your plan? You wake me this morning, confused me. And then now, you surprised me. Proud of you. So how much you spend for the clothes? Like,
Alright, it was suit of a 6,500. This of $1,000. My shoes of $3,000. My bag of $5,000.
Oh my God, proud of you. No, man. What may I sleep, sir? Something I put on my food? Some sleeping pill you put in my food or something?
Why mother do that?
I mean, I wonder.
You're tired. If every day you get up, go on the road and sit, you must dream.
So, you tell me, say, you have a nurse girlfriend? No, sir. No good still. But, yo, listen. You have to go know, say, anywhere you go, and sit down for a second, not even 1 second to pass in and look for your surroundings. You understand me, I say?
Yeah, I understand.
And if anything, you call me. You get that? You know, so yesterday whole day I didn't sleep, but that's the reason I sleep, so.
You're tired.
I still feel like I'm tired, I'm not like you.
If I'm not no sleep.
No, you're mad. I tell you want to be workless. Eh?
So what you gonna do?
I relax a bit for sure. Oh, good. So, alright, now you go. Now you go. May I answer a question? I know you go.
Yeah, no, me I go. Why? Me never did
Alright.
that here when you said a while ago.
Go on, go on.
So now give me no hug.
About what time you have for?
5 o'clock school over.
5 o'clock? She can get a Jane and a boss.
More lunch money.
What do you mean lunch money? So you spend all of that money on this and you secure your lunch money? Why rough
know,
life,
say
rough
they
with
don't
you?
give me
Me? This a boy, yeah? You have it, man.
Give me lunch money now, that babes, you know?
Last month, I gave 250,000.
Me put that in my bank.
Last month, I gave 250,000. And you know where you never go? Eh?
I will never go.
No way. Yeah. So you go and go do your thing and
But
scam me.
not even $1,000.
Not even $500. Not even $200. Not even $100.
Alright, give me my fear for
Yeah, which fear?
for take taxi going to town. I don't have no money for me. I forgot draw money. Please.
So, I'm so tired. You trying to put something on my food?
Give me a little fear.
How much you feel about it?
$500 go.
500 go?
Yeah, 500 come back.
Yeah, I'm tear now if I give 500
No.
Oh, this man. Proud of you still, you know?
Yeah, later, yeah.
Later we talk.
Well, this is what we do. Find those songs on the street.
Kemar Williams.
This is what we do. Find those songs on the block. Who's standing on the ship? Let's make it
like a
move
land.
non-stop.
I know your heart's afraid of me, someone like me. You've seen the flow, the flex of what you think it could be. I know you're thinking that I'm just a bad boy. Breaking hearts is the only thing I'm good for. All I'm saying, I can be that one to take away your pain in some crazy way. Be my bullet, I can be your gun, and we can shoot just for fun. I can be a bad boy, I can be a good boy, I can be a rude boy.
What is that called, man?
Yo, bad dog. You mean, man? Nurse? Better let her too, bro. You know, certain things that make my name lift up in the streets, man. I want to. If you ask that, man, you like you want me come round the con day or something. Yo, let you nurse, brother. Quick, man. Like them, my boy, you no sense. I mean, watch ya. Hello there. Nice near blue door or something. Evening.
My name is Miss Pence.
Miss Pence?
Yes.
Wow, Miss Pence, nice meeting you. It's like you're just going to work.
Yes, but we are going around in the communities to get some donation for people who need help.
I mean, man, at least that man.
And their family cannot help them.
You know, so me have the money now.
You have the money?
Yeah, man. I have the money, man. No matter how much me give.
No, we just.
And at least that, man. 6, yeah. Nurse.
Nurse.
How happened? Gun. Huh?
You can't do them something then. You can't just come and then knock your door, so. You know, say, you don't know
Says
you can't
who?
run and stuff.
Says who?
Mama,
Hey, watch out now. Yeah, I don't say.
how I go on?
Me there in my bed.
Mm-hmm.
I'm here relax.
Yeah.
I'm there on my phone. I'm here scroll up on the TikTok. You know me see, you know me, not me sweet on the TikTok. You know me proud and me laugh.
Yeah.
Me start here, pam, 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 pam. My phone start ring.
Yeah.
Whole heap of people start calling down, you know. So me go answer. Them a say,
Mm-hmm.
one nurse girl go a red ground go do damage.
Mm-hmm.
So, me want to know if are you. Cause guess what? Remember you come over here for nurse clothes. So, me want to know if are you. And a matter of fact, too, I know you. I know you.
Me not, me
No, sir, what I
kill
know?
mosquito.
I say I know you. Cause you don't know about the badness, my girl. You're not so tough.
Exactly.
I know you. But at one point, me I say, no, sir. Me a think boy you, and me not think boy you. Cause me I say you can't do nothing. You can't even kill a fly. You, you're not so bad. But mom, me tell you something, you know. Cause they say I have more to twist. And for me twist. You see, if you go do no damage, them a come for you. Fly high, fly low, them a go come for you. And them a go lock you up and dash for the key. So you must know if you.
You know something now. Alright. When me tell you, when me come over here, when me tell you say me come for you close them for. No careers there. So how comes this coming in your head? This should even come in your head. You should even think of me doing that.
Mama.
You know me and that the type of person.
Mama, they say silent river run deep.
Well,
and to hold you silent.
I know me.
Just make sure say I know you. That's all me can tell her because when them a bring down one, them a go bring down your whole family and you nah make them come bring me down and go like me bad. You nah make them come lock me up.
Yeah, let me mix up.
Me and no sister. I can't say them me and no cousin either if you do it.
I don't mean. So when you come over here go and so far and I know me. Me not do nothing.
What kind of something them you have in your house? What kind of smiley business? You Johnny Baphomet?
The blood of Jesus again.
What kind of smiley business them that?
So what you put up in the house for? All that. I say idea. No fling no up on me, man.
Hey, one thing I'm gonna make you know.
Mama.
If you go do no damage, talk from now or forever hold your own.
Me don't do nothing.
Alright, you don't do nothing.
No.
So all of a sudden, you come for the nurse clothes them. If people them start calling me phone and say, wow, nurse girl come do damage and red
Me tell us when me tell us me I go no center. Me not tell us the careers they are going to center.
You sure
and me want be one nurse.
You sure never I side for them go? Because you come and talk about center. You sure never left and right you go?
No, up me go. I don't. Like you did. Me don't do nothing like that. And when you come on me yard.
Boy you mad. You know what I say? I don't like the liquid.
Hurry up and finish this.
Wait, no. Later way. I said, look at blood rasta man here. I go buy you too. Come on, Tassa. Oh, Tassa, if you come and come face me.
Come, guy,
Nonsense. Rubbish.
Yo.
Wait,
Yo.
Biggie.
Yo. You know me?
Well, this is what we do. Father songs on the street.
Kemar Williams.
To subscribe is free. The subscribe yet.
This is what we do. Father Santa's on the block. Sending off the ship.
Says like a land.
Non-stop.
I know your heart's afraid to be with someone like me. You've seen the flow, the flex of what you think it could be. I know you're thinking that I'm just a bad boy. Breaking hearts is the only thing I'm good for. All I'm saying, I can be that one to take away your pain in some crazy way. Be my bullet, I can be your gun, and we can shoot just for fun. I can be a bad boy, I can be a good boy, I can be a rude boy, I can be a soldier. Right away. Bad boy, good boy, rude boy.
This is what we do.
up is the greatest. Yes. You get excited when I tell you all the things that you love, but still you're trying to hide that feeling. Baby, I got the sex for healing. Just in the light, the mood is right. We gon' do it all night. I can be a bad boy, I can be a good boy, I can be a rude boy, I can be a soldier, baby. Bad boy, good boy, rude boy.
Tell them all. This is what we do. I just stop, stop the shit. This is what we do. I just stop, stop the shit. This is what we do. I just send us on the back.
Right away, I can be the right one if you run things harder. If you give me love, girl, I the queen of me harder. I can be the one, I can be the hot stepper. You and me together every day we get later. And I can show you love and I can show respect. Champion love already if he control your bed. Ah, girl, you better trust me, girl, you better know. I could go anywhere you go.
I can be a bad boy, I can be a good boy, I can be a rude boy, I can be a soldier,
Check
baby.
this out.
Bad boy, good boy, rude boy. I can be a bad boy.
I just stop, stop the shit. This is what we do. I just stop, stop the shit. This is what we do. I just send us on the back. What's the thing? Make it move and dance. This is what we do. I just stop, stop the shit. This is what we do.
Tell them again.
This is what we do. I just send us on the back. What's the thing? The ship is making move and non-stop.